Our study today is on gestational age. We should be able to calculate the age of pregnancy, determine the age of any woman's pregnancy, anytime, any day. What if a pregnant woman comes in front of me now or visits my clinic today? One first thing we expect a health worker, a doctor, a nurse, a midwife, whoever is attending to a pregnant woman, the first thing we expect you to determine is how old is her pregnancy today. How can you determine the age of a woman's pregnancy the day she is in front of you? In weeks. And if possible, there are any remaining days that are not up to weeks. State it. But you see, the naked theory said that what? Age of pregnancy should always be stated in weeks. So we are going to show you how to calculate a woman's gestational age, which means the age of her pregnancy, and state it in weeks, not in months. Now, for example, a woman's last menstrual period is 5th of May 2023. How old is her pregnancy today? And today, we are talking, today, as I am talking to you, I am talking about the day of today. And whoever followed me or is following me right away knows that I'm shooting this video on the 10th, on the 9th. On the 9th. Today is the 9th, after celebrating Women's Day, International Women's Day, on the 8th of March, which was yesterday, even though it was locked down in Bamenda. But I am shooting this on Saturday, the 9th of March 2024. So if I am today 9 of 03/2024, and the woman in front of me now says her last menstrual period was or is the 5th of May 2023. So she had her last menses, she's pregnant, but her last menses was on the 5th of May. How do I know the age of her pregnancy today? So I need to just write the date of today below it like this. Then I underline it. Then I start from the days. I will finish with the days, just subtracting, okay? Just subtract the present date from the last menstrual period. But I start from the day and then move to the months. Then I end with the year. So I'm not going to start from year. No, I start from this way. So I finish with the days first, go to months, and then end with the year. In this case, I start here. 9 minus 5. It gives me 4. That's for days. Then I go to the month now. For months here, 3 minus 5 cannot go. See what we do here. Once it cannot go, I will move ahead to the year and subtract 1 to come and add here. But remember, year are years. We have years this way. But I need months. I just need to subtract 1 year, convert it into months, and add this month. But we know that 1 year is 12 months. So I go here and subtract 1 year, convert it into months. That's 12. 12 plus this 3 become 12 plus 10, 15. Now, 15 minus 5 is 10. 10. Then I go. If I had removed 1 year here, then we have 2023 remaining there. 2023 minus 2023, 0. Everything has come down to 4 days, 10 months. Convert everything into weeks. 4 days is not yet up to 7, so it remains 4. Then 10 months. The Neges theory. Remember the video. We learned how to convert months into weeks. You will see that Neges theory tells you start with a scale from 1 to 3, and that 3 months is 13 weeks. But 2 months is 9 weeks. 1 month is 4 weeks. The highest is 3 months. You ask yourself, 3 goes into 10, how many? 3 times, remember 1. And 3 months is 13 weeks, meaning that you have 13 plus 13 plus 13. That's 39 weeks. Then remainder 1. And 1 month is 4 weeks. That's 39 plus 4. 39 plus 4 is 43. It tells 43, then this remainder 4 here. This 4 here is not up to 7 days. Put a small plus on top of the 43 and put the 4. And then your denominator is weeks. Take it in weeks because they want to take answer in weeks. Therefore, the correct answer is 43 weeks, 4 days. But this is how I write the 4 days because you needed to stay only in weeks. You don't want to see you write anything day anywhere. Therefore, that remainder that is not yet up to 7, you just write a small plus on top of it and add it. So it is 43 plus 4 weeks. But we know that no woman should normally carry pregnancy for up to 43 weeks. This is an example, simple example that we took here to determine that this woman sitting in front of us today, her pregnancy is 43 weeks, 4 days. Now, see another simpler example now. We are standing today, Saturday, the 9th of March, 2024. And a woman is in front of me. Her last menstrual period is 11th of November 2023. And she is in front of me now. How do I determine the age of her pregnancy? I just need to say today. Meaning GA is equal to, GA means what? Gestational age. Gestational age. The age of her pregnancy is equal to today. Today is what? Right under this date. Today is 9th of March 2024. And then I just go here. 9 minus 11 cannot go. I will go to the month here and subtract 1. Remember, anything you subtract from the middle here is a month. So I need to take 1 month, convert it into days, add to this day before we can go. So I go here and take 1. And that 1 is 1 month. Which month? My dear colleagues, there's some intriguing thing here. When you take out a month from here, ask yourself which month is that? Because not all months in a year have the same number of days. Because when you take a month, you must consider the number of days that are found in that month. Therefore, we have taken 1 month from here. Which month? Everyone must understand that it should be February. Why? Because this 9 that we have here is how far March has gone. March has gone up to 9. Today is the 9th of March. And March has gone up to day 9, and the 9 cannot go. Therefore, the only full month that went completely is the month that ended before March started. I hope we understand. Therefore, the month before this March was what? February. We are taking February. And February 2024, my dear, was a leap year. 29 days. Therefore, we are take the February and convert it into days, which will be 29 days. Add 29 plus 9. 29 plus 9 will give us 38. 38 now minus 11. You see now that 38 minus 10 is 28 minus 1, 27. See, 38 minus 11 will give you 27. You write the 27 here and come back to month. If you had removed 1, it means that 2 is remaining here. There's no more 3. 2 minus 11 cannot go. It means that you move to the year, you move 1 year, convert it into months. The 1 year removed is 12 months. 12 plus the 2, that is here, gives you 14. 14 minus 11 gives you 3. Then you go to the year. As we have subtracted 1 year, then we now have the 2023. 2023 minus 2023 gives us 0. You have 27 days, then you have 3 months, then you have 0 year. Convert everything into weeks. You see that 27 days is, 1 week is 7 days. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus another 7 is 28. Okay, but this one is 27. So it's lacking 1 to be 28. Therefore, have 3 weeks plus 6. You write here 3 weeks, 6 days. Put a small plus on top of the 3 and write the 6, means not yet up to 7. Then come to months. The next theory tells us that 3 months is 13 weeks. And it's 3 months here. So it's 13 weeks. This 23 days is 3 weeks plus 6 days. And now the 3 months, this March, this 3 months is 13. Okay? This is 13. 3 plus 13. Join the weeks. 3 weeks plus 13 weeks is equal to 16 weeks. But you put 16, put a small plus on top of it and add the 6. And state the denominator in weeks. Weeks. So this woman standing in front of me now, her pregnancy is 16 weeks, 6 days. By tomorrow, it will be exactly 17 weeks with no remaining day. I hope everyone understands now how to do to determine a woman's gestational age. Any day a pregnant woman comes in front of you, try to determine the age of her pregnancy. How old is her pregnancy today? Is she up to 14 weeks? Is she up to 20 weeks? Is her pregnancy up to 30 weeks? Is she at term? Is it up to 39 weeks? Is she up to 40 weeks? That's what we call gestational age. This is simple formula on how to calculate it. My dear, I still want to give us one simple example. Just like they set it in national exams, you will find they'll tell you a woman's last menstrual period is 5th of May 2023. And the woman visited the clinic. The woman visited your clinic on the 8th of October, the same 2023. What was the woman's gestational age on that day that it was in front of you? That's how you just need to say today. It means the today that I'm talking about is the 8th of October 2023. It will be simple. Just put it like that and come here. 8 minus 5, 3. Go to the month. 10 minus 5, 5. Go to the year. 2023 minus 2023, 0. Convert everything into weeks. 3 is not yet up to a week, so leave it as, remember, 3. Then 5 in months. 5 months is equal to what? 3 can go in 5. 1 time, that's 13. Remember 2. And 2 more is 9 weeks. So 13 plus 9 is 22 plus 3. Put this 3, remaining 3 as a small one on top of 22. Then denominator weeks. I hope this one is simple. That woman was standing in front of you and her pregnancy on that day was 22 weeks, 3 days. Thank you. My name is Dr. David Ayim. I am your reproductive health expert and I hold a PhD in public health. If you like the lectures, subscribe, like and share. You can write your comments. Thank you.